A coaster, drink coaster, beverage coaster, or beermat is an article used to rest beverages upon. The purpose is to protect the surface of a table or any other surface where the user might place their beverage. Public houses usually will have beermats spread out across the tables. They are used not just to protect the surface of the table, but, as they are usually made of paper, they can also be used to absorb condensation dripping along the glass or serve as an ad hoc notepad. Beermats are often branded with trademarks or alcohol advertising. Beermats are not to be confused with bar mats, rectangular pieces of rubber or absorbent material used to protect the countertop and soak up spilled drinks in a bar or pub. History: in 1880, the first beermats made of cardboard were introduced by the German printing company, Friedrich Horn. In 1892, Robert Sputh of Dresden manufactured the first beermat made of wood pulp. Watney Brewery introduced them to the United Kingdom in 1920 to advertise their pale ale. The packaging company Quarmby Promotions, established in 1872, began manufacturing beermats in Milnsbridge in 1931. After it was taken over by the Katz Group, it moved production to Brighouse and in 2006 to Morley, West Yorkshire, before closing its production in 2009. Saucers were also long used in Europe for much the same purpose. When drinking tea, it was customary to use a cup and saucer set. By the mid-20th century, beverage coasters made in many materials and styles were being manufactured for domestic use. Today they are common as a houseware and in restaurants. Manufacture: coasters are often made from high-grammage paperboard, but may also be made from several layers of tissue paper. Important parameters for beer mats are water absorbency, wet rub and printability. Coaster Factory and Canada Coaster, based in North America, and the Katz Group, based in Weisenbach, Germany, produce approximately 75% of the estimated 5.5 billion beer mats in the world, including about two-thirds of the European market and 97% of the U.S. market. In addition to the factory in Weisenbach, Katz has another two conversion factories in the U.S., one in Sanborn, New York and the other in Johnson City, Tennessee. Coaster imprints: beermats are usually adorned with a customized image usually mentioning or advertising a brand of beer, although they can also be used to promote a drinking establishment, sports franchise, businesses or special events. Recently, they have also been used to advertise political messages and parties, such as the UKIP beermats during the 2004 European elections. Tegistology: some coasters are collectible items. Tegistology is a term coined from Latin defined as the practice of collecting beermats or coasters, with practitioners known as tegistologists. A 1960 British paid news short shows comedy duo Morecambe and Wise as tegistologists. References: external links.